What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the major movement that we've been seeing in Wynn share price. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. And don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. We last talked about Wynn stock here on my channel about a month ago after the company reported their quarterly earnings. And now, here today, Wynn's share price is absolutely crashing, with the stock currently down about 11%, trading at just under $92 per share at the time that I'm recording this video. This downward movement in Wynn Resort share price comes off of news out of China about fears regarding tighter rules and regulations for Macau, with the proposed rules coming out of China calling for the removal of the current sub-concession system and the appointment of government delegates to oversee gaming operators. For those who may not be aware, in 2002, Macau granted only 3 gaming concessions, one each to SJM Resorts, Wynn Resorts, and Galaxy Casino. With those concessions set to expire in June 2022, this has created a lot of uncertainty in the gaming industry in Macau, China, with authorities proposing more legal requirements for oversight of concessionaires, suitability evaluation, as well as criminal responsibility and worker guarantees, among others, with Chinese government authorities suggesting policies to reduce Macau's economic dependence on gaming, which makes up 80% of government revenues in Macau, as well as 55% of its GDP. Gaming stocks as a whole have been hit hard on this news, with Wynn Resorts at one point today falling under $90 per share before starting to see some recovery at the time that I'm recording this video. So with all of that being said, what are my thoughts about Wynn Resorts as an investment? It's no secret that I've talked about how much I love Wynn Resorts as a long-term investment multiple times here on my channel. And despite this news coming out of China, I continue to love Wynn Resorts as a long-term investment. And I see this short-term crash as a great buying opportunity, as a long-term investment, and also as a potential swing trade. Now, could the share price fall further here in the short term? Yeah, it certainly can, especially as we're also continuing to see global concerns about the rising numbers of COVID and what that could mean for the gaming industry and the stock market as a whole. But despite that risk, I personally believe that this short-term sell-off was a great buying opportunity to add additional shares of Wynn to my portfolio, and I've put my money where my mouth is and picked up a few additional shares today whenever the share price briefly fell under $90 per share. But just remember, my videos are never medical or financial advice. They're merely me researching a company and talking about my opinions about that company based on my research. An investment in Wynn Resorts, like an investment in any company, comes with risks. So if you're thinking about investing in Wynn Resorts, make sure you're doing your own research and only investing if you're willing to accept those risks. What are your thoughts about Wynn Resorts? Are you invested in Wynn stock? Are you thinking about investing in Wynn Resorts? Where do you think the share price is going over both the short term and the long term? And what do you think about this recent downward trend that we've been seeing in Wynn share price? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.